Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of granola, and I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe is the best Love Grown Granola on the market. Say hello to Love Grown Cocoa Goodness Oat Clusters, a delightful blend of wholesome ingredients that's sure to elevate your breakfast game. Now, what makes this granola stand out from the rest? Well, for starters, it's crafted with care by a small business brand. So you can feel good about supporting local artisans while enjoying your morning meal. But it's not just about the heartwarming backstory. The real magic lies in the flavor and texture of these Cocoa Goodness Oat Clusters. With every mouthful, you'll experience the perfect balance of rich cocoa flavor and hearty oat goodness. Plus, the addition of crunchy clusters adds a satisfying crunch that will keep you coming back for more. Whether you're enjoying it with milk, yogurt, or straight out of the bag as a tasty snack, Love Grown Cocoa Goodness Oat Clusters is sure to become a staple in your pantry. And here's the best part. You can get your hands on this delicious granola with just a few clicks. Head over to Amazon.com to order your own 6-pack of Love Grown Cocoa Goodness Oat Clusters today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy munching!